Hello everybody, my name is Nikita and I am a third year ECE student, and this video is for those that feel overwhelmed about using Gantt charts, as I know I was when I was in first year. So I'm going to provide you with a 5-step structural approach to using Gantt charts effectively. So first step is organize, second is adjust, third is assign work, fourth is set baseline, and fifth is monitor. So let's go to the actual Gantt chart. This is a sample that's provided for you. I've created the sample, and as you can see right here, I have organized it into subcategories, one for each deliverable, which makes the Gantt chart much less cluttered and a lot easier to read. So you can just go to each specific deliverable and look at all the tasks that are there. So next, what you want to do is adjust the timeline. You're going to want to go into the example and actually make it so that it suits your specific needs. So let's suppose that it's not due on the Monday, but it's actually due on Wednesday. So we'd go as right click, task information, move it to a Wednesday, okay. As you can see, now our whole schedule has shifted and is now longer. Now we're obviously going to have to adjust the next schedule so it doesn't conflict with our new deadline. So we go to deadline for CDS, information. We also move it to a Wednesday, just as an example, and then we move the start date, and there we go. We have adjusted our timeline to suit our specific needs, and the rest would apply to the other three, the other leftover tasks. So let's just undo that for our example purpose. Alright, so once you've adjusted the timeline, we're gonna have to assign work. So first we're gonna have to change the names of our team members. So we're gonna go into resource sheet. We're going to go here, right click, information. So now put the name of your actual team member in. Just for as an example, we're going to use these names. Okay, awesome. Then you go back to Gantt chart, and if we open up, we can see that our team members have been assigned to their specific tasks. Now let's suppose you'd like to assign a team member. You go to assign resources, click a team member, click a task, and then click assign. As you can see right here, there. And then you assign them to their specific task. So once you've assigned work, we're going to have to set a baseline. So what setting a baseline does is it allows you to monitor your project and your progress. So we set a baseline for the entire project, okay. We go task, we go to tracking Gantt. And what this allows you to do, so let me just show you what it would look like without a baseline, clear baseline. You see, what this does is it allows you to compare how much work you've done compared to, what you planned. So now you can go to, your first task, you could go to information, and let's suppose it's 35% complete, and then the second task is just for example, let's say 15% complete. So now what this allows you to do is when you go back to the Gantt chart, you can now monitor how much each team member has completed, which will allow you to see if someone needs to do more work, or if you guys are behind schedule, or if you're on track, and that allows you to better plan your time. So finally, after setting the baseline, we're able to monitor progress using this tracking Gantt and see how much we've completed of the task and if we're on schedule. So I hope that this was instructive, and that now Gantt charts are no longer a problem for you, and you'll be able to use them effectively to not only distribute work but also track and monitor your progress and finish everything on time. Thank you.